Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you deep water. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me safe. We need light. We need love. Lift me up in your arms. I need love. I need love. I need love. Hold me, 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 hold me. We need light. We need love. Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.
So guys, after coiling it, I left it for outside to dry. And what's the time now? This is my time. This is 6:54. So guys, let's know what we can do with this hair. Okay, like in less than 1 hour, maybe 1 hour 30 minutes or 1 hour. Let's see, let me just say 1 hour. Okay, this is what this hair looks like. And let's cut because the hair have dried already. So you're buying this hair on Amazon. Do you know how much it costs? Just type it on your phone. Amazon, just type this hair, crochet braid hair, all this kind of hair. You will see the money that is there. So I like to do mine, and I think it's cheaper like this. Using one, this one is xpression. Like, it's long I made this braid, but I just made this braid today. So this other one, it's long I make this one. I mix it with red. It's better you do yours, because me, I don't have money to waste. I don't have money to waste to go and be buying crochet braid. And the worst part of it is that it come out small. One pack will not be enough for you to make your hair. If you are making your hair, one pack will not be enough. Yeah, one pack is never going to be enough for you to make your hair. So it's best you do DIY. DIY is always the best.
Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you deep water. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down.
So guys, I finished making my hair. This is 8:27. So let me just say 1 hour 20 something minutes. That's when I make this hair. Upon all, I was standing, you know, I was standing. Sometimes I'll go and drink water. So this, I'll go and do something. So this is the final look, guys. What did you think? What did you think on time? But if you weave your hair, like the weaving is very, very tight. If you weave your hair and you do this one on top, it will, your hair will not be that rough. I don't know if you understand what I am trying to say. There is difference between when you weave your hair all back and when you braid it from the down. So there is a bit difference. This one lasts very well. Like for those people that if you are that kind of person that you cannot carry braid more than 2 weeks, more than 3 weeks, or more than 1 month, this is what you need. Like some people, they can carry braid. Like some people, they can carry braid. But me, I'm not that kind of person that carry hairs like for long time. So if you are that kind of person that would like to carry hair for a long time, I would prefer you go for crochet braid. Crochet braid lasts a lot. Yes, if you agree with me, let me know in the comment section. Crochet braid, it lasts a lot more than braid that you braid like the normal braid that you do from the down. Okay, so crochet braid lasts. The reason is that you weave your hair and put, just as the way I did this one. This hair is going to last. If I want to take this hair for 2 months, 3 months, I can take this hair for how many months. But you know, DIY queen now, like I like to give you guys different tutorials. So guys, what did you think about my hair? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you like this hair, let me know in the comment section. If you are going to try this hair, let me know in the comment section. Okay, yep, the DIY queen is here with another beautiful hairstyle, aka peculiar. So guys, I will see you all on my next video. Okay, bye. I love you.